Assalamualaikum and welcome back to our English class for today. So today we are going to continue our lesson in Unit 7, Out and About. Okay, do you know this picture? Who know about this one? This is a farm. But before we start our lesson, let's know our objective for today. So today at the end of the lesson, people's able to number 1, learn vocabularies of farm animals' names. And number 2, we will also listen and identify names of farm animals. Alright. Okay. So before we start our lesson, I want you to recap in our previous class about plural nouns. Remember, before we start our holiday, we already learned about plural nouns. Okay, we will have a short quiz, only few questions, and we will see if you still remember what I had taught you before. Okay. Number 1, there are many in the basket. Can you see in A, B, C, we have tomato, but which one is the correct plural noun for tomato? Is it A, tomatoes, B, tomatoes, or C, tomates? Do you still remember what did I taught you last week? So I will give you 3 seconds to guess for the correct answer. 1, 2, 3. The correct answer is tomatoes. You see here, tomatoes. Do you remember after O, we add es. After noun who have ended with O, we add the letter es. Alright, so the next question. What eat grass near the river? See, the answer is cow, but which one is the correct spelling for cow? For the plural cow, we have A, we added S, or B, we add ES, or C, we change the spelling. So, I will give you another 3 seconds to guess the correct answer. 1, 2, 3. And the answer is cows. The answer is A. See here, when the noun is end with letter W, we only add S. We don't need to add ES. ES only added to the letter N with O and a few more. I will show you the notes after this, okay? Make sure you remember because in exam, you will use this in your writing, in your grammar, and in your reading also, okay? And the last one. There are a lot of what beside the rubbish truck? Do you still remember this one? I really highlighted it before. Is it mouse or mouses or mice? Okay, another 3 seconds for you. 1, 2, 3. The answer is mice. We change it to a new word. So remember, the noun and with letter O, we add ES. Like just now, tomatoes and with O, so we add the letter ES. But the noun and with the letter S, X, Z, CH, SH, we add S. We add S, okay? But for the new word, the last one here, new word, like mouse, it become mice. Like policeman, it become policeman. We change the spelling, it become a new word. Okay, let's watch a short video about farms animals.
Smile and learn. Hello, friends. Do you like animals? I love them. Today we're going to learn about farm animals. It got dark again. I'll use my flashlight to find them. I can see a silhouette over there. Which animal could that be? It's a cow. Cow. I love having cow milk for breakfast. Cow. I see another silhouette there. Let's see which animal is that. It's a horse. Horse. Horses are really fast. Horse. Let's see some other animals in this farm. It's a sheep. Sheep. This sheep is so soft. Sheep. Let's see what we can find around here. It's a hen. Hen. Hens lay eggs. Hen. Let's see what we have over here. It's a rabbit. Rabbit. I love rabbit ears. Rabbit. There's another silhouette over there. What could it be? It's a donkey. Donkey. Donkeys say, hee-haw. Donkey. Let's see what other animals there are. It's a goat. Goat. Oops, goats have horns. Goat. And this is a silhouette of a dog. Dog. Dogs are humans' best friend. Dog. And that silhouette down there, it's a duck. Duck. Look at that beak. Duck. I think there's one silhouette left. It's a cat. Cat. Cats are very swift. Cat. My, so many animals. Shall we recap them so I won't forget them? Cow. Horse. Sheep. Hen. Rabbit. Donkey. Goat. Dog. Duck. Cat. Oops, it's getting late. I'm heading back home to make it for dinner. See you around.
Alright, so what do you think about the farm's animal that you just watched just now? So, do you notice that each of them have their own sounds? Right, for like horses, they have their own sound. Like donkey, they have different sounds, right? So now, we have learned the names for farm's animals. So now let's practice. I want to make sure you remember and you recognize their names and you can listen well. So now I want you all to open your textbook, page 67. Go take your textbook and open page 67. So we are going to play a game. Alright. Go take your textbook and open the page 67. Okay, now I will tell you 2 rules that you need to obey so that we can play this successfully. Alright, number 1, there are 5 animals listed over there. Am I right? There are 5 names of animals. So I want you to listen carefully and try to match the sounds with the correct animal. Okay? Alright? Okay. Ready? I will play this twice and you need to guess which animals and arrange it correctly. Okay?
Module 7. Smart Kids. Vocabulary. Duck. Horse. Sheep. Goat. Mouse. Cow. Wolf.
Alright? Do you get it? Okay, don't worry, I will play it twice. Okay, This is the second round. Now, check your answer if you get it correctly or not, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Module 7. Smart Kids. Vocabulary. Duck. Horse. Sheep. Goat. Mouse. Cow. Wolf.
Alright? Okay. I'm sure all of you have already answered this. Okay. So the next one for today we already ended, but I had prepared for you homework. Okay, number 1 is wordwall. And I will share the link to this exercise wordwall in the below under the description, so you can look up in the our WhatsApp group where I will share the link. And also number 2, you need to use your workbook page 53 and complete the number 1 and number 2 questions. Okay, so for the word wall and for the workbook, you doesn't need to send me the pictures because in our next class on Thursday, we will discuss it together. Alright? Okay, that's all for today. So I hope if you have any questions, you can ask me. So don't be shy. Just drop me your message. I will answer it to you. You can comment it below or you can send me message in the WhatsApp. Alright? So that's all for today. See you when I see you. Bye bye.